welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be cleaning my makeup room or my filming room, whatever you want to call it. So it is going to be super fun. I'm so excited. It's such a mess and it's doing my head in and I need to clean it and just make it livable. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting lately. I just got a new job and I'm working full time. So, and just in case you're wondering, I'm doing my second year hairdressing apprenticeship. So I've gone back to that and I'm really super happy that I'm doing that again now. I've wanted to do hairdressing for so long and I'm super glad that I'm back at it. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So sorry again that I haven't been posting lately, but hopefully I will be doing some more now, but I thought you definitely deserved a video, so this is what we're doing today. So I will be cleaning and just tidying up and making this room a lot more livable. So yeah, let's not let this introduction be any longer than it needs to, and let's get cleaning. So I am going to start with this section right here. So what I'm going to do is just take everything out of all the drawers and put it on the floor so I can see what I've got to work with. This is what I have on the floor at the moment, and that's all the crap on top of my IKEA drawers, and I still have all this stuff on my desk. Poosh?
Yeah, you said you put crap on there.
Not real poosh, I mean crap as in like... Yeah, I did poos on top of the IKEA drawers. Next time I'll poo on you.
Meh.
Make that face again.
Meh.
So anyway, I now have to sort all this stuff out. Wish me luck. I'm actually going to start including some of this stuff in there too, things like my hair straightener and my hairdryer down there, just because, oops, my camera's being a little bit unpredictable today. So all that stuff, I use this every day, but I need to find a place for it all and yeah, just make this room actually able to be kind of lived in. It's very much lived in now, but yeah. Find a place for everything and just make it actually neat and tidy, and so that it actually has a sort of system. Into these drawers here, and then just these ones right here. I'll find a spot for those two. All that I think is fine on there, obviously, except for my phone. And then after that we are going to tackle this, and I definitely need to take that bin out. But yeah, so all this, oh, don't mind the washing basket, that's for my camera to sit on. Yeah, for my camera to sit on. Obviously I've got a tripod. But yeah, so I'm gonna put everything away, and yeah, you guys can just watch, and hopefully you find it interesting or it motivates you guys to clean too. Yay! Cleaning is so much fun. Help me. It is time to tackle this area. So this is going to be just my general office space. So as you can see, oh, don't mind my retainer, that's a bit gross. Actually, I don't have anything in that drawer. Yeah, I just have like my TAFE stuff, but I'm not actually doing TAFE anymore. That was while I was living in Lismore, but now that I'm living near Brisbane, I actually go to college for my second year of my apprenticeship. So yeah, that's what I have been up to. I'll talk about it in another video, but all my general office stuff is going to go in this desk here. Same with my college homework and just any important documents that I might have. through them and put them in these drawers here. My video for this week. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button if you haven't already. It really helps my channel grow. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for all of your love and support, even though I haven't been posting lately. So thank you to all of you who are still subscribed to my channel. You're amazing. And just a little disclaimer, I quickly wanted to let you know that my channel will not be featuring just makeup now. It will be more videos like this, probably more vlogs if you like those. So if you did like this video and you want to see more of them, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. See you later.